आरआरबी स्टाफनेस प्रीवियस पेपर, ये जो आपका पेपर रहने वाला है फर्स्ट डे का सेकंड सेमेस्टर पेपर होने वाला है। अब जिनको नहीं बता दें उनकी जानकारी के लिए बता दें, आपके जो 2019 में प्रीवियस पेपर हुए थे 20 जुलाई और 21 जुलाई के आपके 2 पेपर हुए थे 2 दिन में, और 3-3 स्टेजों में पेपर हुए थे। तो टोटल पेपर की बात करें तो टोटल आपके 6 पेपर हुए थे, और जो ये पेपर रहने वाला है ये आपका फर्स्ट डे का सेकंड स्टेज का पेपर रहने वाला है। इससे पहले हमने एक वीडियो अपलोड किया, आप जाके वो भी चेकआउट कर लेना। पर उससे पहले आप पूरा ये वीडियो देखना, आपको इसमें 100 क्वेश्चन मिलेंगे। और इसी तरह के काफ़ी सारे वीडियो जो आपके नेक्स्ट होंगे हम इसी चैनल में अपलोड करेंगे। इसके चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लेना। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लेते हो तो आपसे कोई भी पेपर नोटिफिकेशन मिस नहीं होती है। तो चलते हैं पहले क्वेश्चन की तरफ।
Question number 1. Sperms are produced by the process of option A oogenesis, option B ovulation, option C gestinal, option C spermatogenesis. So the correct answer number D, spermatogenesis. Next question, question number 2. A plan prepared by a teacher to teach a lesson is called option A unit plan, option B course plan, option C lesson plans, and option D master plans. So the correct answer number C, lesson plan. Next question, question number 3. In a certain code language, if badly is coded in CDFAN, then how 40 coded in that language? Option A QHTAV, option B ULIGB, option C BWURI, and option D HQTVA. So the correct answer number A, QHTAV. Question number 4. Vaginal acidity is maintained by option A acidobacillus, option B mucobacilli, option C streptococcus, and option D Dorlian bacilli. So the correct answer number D, Dorlian bacilli. Next question, question number 5. A person who work hard to increase his wealth is satisfying his A personal motives, B biological motives, C secondary motives, and option D social motives. So the correct answer number A, personal motive. Next question, question number 6. Which one of the following graph is commonly used to represent frequency distribution? Option A histogram, option B pie diagram, option C bar diagram, and option D ogves. So the correct answer number A, histogram. Next question number 7. Which one of the four entities is not included in COPD? A chronic bronchitis, B emphysema, C asthma, and D pneumonia. So the correct answer number D, pneumonia. Next question number 8. On dividing a number by 427, we got 60 as remainder. On dividing the same number by 61, what will be the remainder? A 46, B 56, C 36, and option D 60. So the correct answer number D, 60. Next question, question number 9. An accumulation of blood in the interpleural space. A tension pneumothorax, B cyclothorax, C hemothorax, and option D pneumothorax. So the correct answer number C, hemothorax. Next question, question number 10. The process involved in the development of mature ovum is called A gametogenesis, B spermatogenesis, C oogenesis, and option D fertilization. So the correct answer number C, oogenesis. Next question, question number 11. Which mode of inheritance is found in cystic fibrosis? Option A X-linked recessive, option B autosomal recessive, option C multiple factor inheritance, option D autosomal dominant. So the correct answer number B, autosomal recessive. Next question number 12. The overall plan on or blueprint for answering the research question is called? A. Analysis, B. Hypothesis, C. Research design, and option D. Sample. So the correct answer number C. Research design. Next question number 13. What is defined as the rate of doing work of or the rate of transfer of energy? Option A pressure, option B power, option C potential, and option D force. So the correct answer number B power. Question number 14. Meditation is an example of pain management by A. Opioids, B. NSAIDs, C. Pharmacological measures, and option D. Non-pharmacological measures. So the correct answer number D. Non-pharmacological measures. Next question number 15. The most common cause of embolism. Option A air bubble, option B bone fragment, option C atherosclerotic debris, and option D thrombus. So the correct answer number D thrombus. अगर चैनल शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लें। आपको इसी तरह के प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर 3 हुए थे, आपके 3 पेपर हुए थे 2019 में, 3 पेपर हुए थे 2015 में। तीनों पेपर में 2 पेपर हमने करा दिए हैं 2015 के। आप कमेंट बॉक्स में देख सकते हैं लिंक, या फिर आप जाके हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और चैनल के अंदर देख ले जाके हमने प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर करा दिया है। और इसी तरह के और एक पेपर लाएंगे, उसके बाद 3 सेट 2019 के लाएंगे। तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर ले ताकि आपकी नोटिफिकेशन मिस बिल्कुल ना हो। बढ़ते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की ओर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. 2050 बॉयज़ and 950 girls are examined in a test. 42% of boys and 36% of passed the test. The percentage of total who failed is A 57.9%, B 59.9%, C 55.9%, C D 53.9%. So the correct answer number B 59.9%. Question number 17. By selling a CPU for rupees 7,015, a man makes a profit 15%. At what price should he sell it to make a profit of 25%? A 7,825, B 7,525, C 7,625, and option D 7,725. So the correct answer number C 7,625. Next question number 18. Which cell takes part in innate immunity by killing virus infected cell? Option A NK cell, option B macrophages, option C neutrophils, and option D T cells. So the correct answer number A NK cells. Next question number 19. In the question, relationship between different elements is shown in the statement. This statement is followed by 3 conclusions. Assume the given statement to be true and choose the answer from the given option. स्टेटमेंट दी गई है, कंक्लूजन दी गए हैं, आपको इसके आंसर चूज करने हैं। देखिए इसमें लिखा है B इज लेस देन R एंड R इज ग्रेटर देन I इज ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू M इज इक्वल टू D इज ग्रेटर देन E। कंक्लूजन है फर्स्ट और सेकंड और थर्ड। फर्स्ट है M B से बड़ा है, I E से बड़ा है और R D से बड़ा है। सो इसका आंसर आपको बताना है। ऑप्शन दिए हुए हैं आपके A ओनली फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड फॉलो, ओनली फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड फॉलो, B ऑल फॉलो, C सेकंड एंड थर्ड फॉलो, एंड ऑप्शन D फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड फॉलो। इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा आंसर नंबर C सेकंड एंड थर्ड फॉलो। आप रोक के प्यूज करके इनके आंसर कॉपी में लगा के ही दें, ऐसे मत करें, तुक्केबाजी में बिल्कुल मत दें। IRB का पेपर ऐसे नहीं होता है। और सबसे बड़ी बात, ये सब प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर हैं, तो इसी तरह के 2 सेट और हैं हमारे चैनल में पड़े हुए हैं, आप उन्हें भी चेकआउट कर लें। बढ़ते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की ओर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 20. द मोस्ट कॉमन हॉस्पिटल एक्वायर्ड इन्फेक्शन इज A किडनी, B डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम, C ब्लैडर, एंड ऑप्शन डी रेस्पिरेटरी। तो सही आंसर इसका है रेस्पिरेटरी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 21, वेयर इज जलियांवाला बाग सिचुएटेड? ए लखनऊ, बी कोलकाता, सी सूरत एंड ऑप्शन डी अमृतसर। सो द करेक्ट आंसर, आंसर नंबर डी अमृतसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 22, द टर्म aerobics is associated with which of the following games? A chess, B gymnastics, C golf and option D cricket. Correct answer, answer number B gymnastics. Question number 23, what is more information the nurse should consider while collecting the history of child with suspected rheumatic fever? Option A recent episode of pharyngitis, B a fever that started 2 days ago, C lack of interest in food, option D vomiting for 2 days. Option number A recent episode of pharyngitis. Question number 24, the relationship between two or more variable is called A research, B type 1 error, C correlation, D hypothesis. So the correct answer, answer number C correlation. Next question number 25, the arterial blood gas ABG analysis report shows that decreased bicarbonate level and pH value denote A metabolic acidosis, B respiratory acidosis, C respiratory alkalosis and option D metabolic alkalosis. So the correct answer, answer number A metabolic acidosis. Next question, question number 26, an overgrowth of bones and soft tissue is seen in A Vater, B Cushing syndrome, C acromegaly, D tetany. So the correct answer, answer number C acromegaly. Correct answer है, so the correct answer, answer number C acromegaly. Next question number 27, the surgical removal of entire contents of the orbit including the eyeball and eyelids is A AV secretion, B enucleation, C exentration and option D laser surgery. So the correct answer, answer number C externation. Next question number 28, an extract writing report of the conversation between the nurse and the patient is A process record, B nurse record, C process report, D non-verbal report. Correct answer is A process record. Question number 29, a pattern of adjustment followed by an individual to relieve anxiety is known as A defense mechanism, B denial, C compensation and option D acceptance. So the correct answer, answer number A. Question number 30, how are ECG changes presented in ischemia and myocardial infarction? A as an elevated PQRS, B as a depressed ST segment, C as a large Q wave and P wave and option D as a small Q wave with an elevation in ST segment and a peak inversion in T wave. The correct answer, answer number D as a small Q wave with an elevation in the ST segment and a peak or inversion in T wave. चैनल में 3 पेपरों के 2 वीडियो बन चुके हैं। चेक आउट द लिंक एंड द सब्सक्राइब चैनल। आपको इसी तरह के पेपर्स मिलते रहेंगे। पढ़ते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 31 की तरफ। When the BMI of an adult is below 18 kg per meter square, the condition is termed as option A underweight, option B overweight, option C pre-obese and option D obese. So the correct answer, answer number A underweight. Next question, question number 32. The fifth vital sign is A. Mean arterial pressure. B. Pain. C. SaO2. And option D. ABG analysis. So the correct answer number B. Pain. Question number 33. Cerebrospinal fluid is secreted by A. Cerebrum. B. Choroid plexus. C. Cerebellum. And option D. Spinal cord. So the correct answer number B. Choroid plexus. Question number 34. The role of a nurse in protecting the patient human and legal right is that of a option A. Communicator. Option B. Patient caregiver. Option C. Patient advocate. Option D. Educator. So the correct answer number C. Patient advocate. Next question number 35. Expect date of delivery is calculated by using option A. Robert formula. Option B. Johnson's formula. Option C. Nigel's formula. And option D. Wood's formula. So the correct answer number C. Nigel's formula. Question number 36. A train passes a station platform in 57 seconds and a man is standing on a platform in 41 seconds. If the speed of a train is 29 meters per second, what is the length of platform? Option A 464, option B 494, option C 474 and option D 484. So the correct answer number A 464. Next question number 37. Sociology help nurses to know about option A social life, option B personal life, option C politics and option D community. So the correct answer number A social life. Next question number 38. The first nursing physiology on health maintenance and restoration of established by A. Mary Elijah Mahone. Next question option number B Dorothy Dix, option C Florence Nightingale and option D Clara Barton. So the correct answer number C Florence Nightingale. Question number 39. What is the number of chromosomes present in the gametes of human being? Option A no chromosomes, option B 1 set of chromosome, option C 22 pairs of chromosome and option D 3 set of chromosomes. So the correct answer number B 1 set of chromosomes. Next question number 40. Isotope of cobalt is used in the treatment for which of the following disease? Option A AIDS, option B cancer, option C goiter and option D anemia. So the correct answer number B cancer. Question number 41. What is the full form of KCC scheme in agriculture sector? Option A Kinder credit card, option B Kisan credit card, option C Kiros credit card and option D Kiran credit card. So the answer number B किसान क्रेडिट कार्ड. अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आ रहा है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, अपने दोस्तों के बीच में शेयर करें और लाइक ज़रूर से कर दें. इससे मोटिवेशन बनता है कि हम इसी तरह के और PYQ या नए क्वेश्चन इसी तरह के मिलाते हुए लेके आएँ. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 42. CINAHL means option A conceptual index to nursing and applied health literature, option B cumulative index of nursing and applied health literature, option C catalogy index of nursing and applied health literature and option D comprehensive index of nursing and allied health literature. So the correct answer number B cumulative index to nursing and applied health literature. Question number 43. Dash denotes one who never completed a pregnancy to the stage of viability. Option A, multigravidae. Option B, purpura. Option C, nulligravidia. And option D, nullipara. So the correct answer number D, nullipara. Next question, question number 44. Which period of age is considered as pre-operation stage in Piaget's theory? Option A, 11 years and above. Option B, 2 to 7 years. Option C, 7 to 11 years. And option D, birth to 2 years. So the correct answer number B, 2 to 7 years. Next question, question number 45. The larynx is closed during swelling by option A, thyroid cartilage. Option B, cricoid cartilage. And option C, vocal cord. And option D, epiglottis. Correct option is D, epiglottis. Question number 46. Germline gene therapy is A, heritable. B, sometime heritable. C, unrelated to heritable. And option D, non-heritable. Correct answer number A, heritable. Question number 47. Which of the following enzyme is not involved in the digestion of carbohydrate? Option A, sucrose. Option B, lipase. Option C, amylase. And option D, lactase. Correct answer number B, lipase. Question number 48. Each person creating his or her own universe through her perception is referred to as A, reasoning. B, critical thinking. C, creative thinking. And option D, problem solving. So answer is answer number C, creative thinking. Question number 49. Epigraphy is the study of option number A, geography. Option number B, science. Option number C, physics. And option number D, inscriptions. So the correct answer number D, inscription. Question number 50. Who is the father of physioanalysis? Option A, Sigmund Freud. Option B, Wilhelm Wundt. Option C, Ivan Pavlov. And option D, William James. Correct answer number A, Sigmund Freud. Next question number 51. What is the maximum strength of Rajya Sabha? A, 158. B, 250. C, 145. And option number D, 209. So the correct answer number B, 250. Question number 52. The innermost layer of heart is called A, pericardium. B, myocardium. C, endocardium. And option number D, visceral pericardium. Correct answer is answer number C, endocardium. Question number 53. Pedophilia is a form of A, physical abuse. B, child sexual abuse. C, verbal abuse. And option number D, mental abuse. Correct answer number B, child sexual abuse. Question number 54. Which of the following is transmitted by rodents? A, hepatitis A virus. B, Ebola virus. C, polio virus. And option D, Norwalk virus. Correct answer number B, Ebola virus. Question number 55. What is the physiological response to the ear to the intensity of sound? A, loudness. B, energy. C, inertia. And option number D, transmission. Correct answer number A, loudness. Question number 56. The period between exposure to infection and appearance of first symptom is called option A, latent period. Option B, incubation period. Option C, window period. And option number D, exposure period. Correct answer number B, incubation period. Next question number 57. अगर आपको इसी तरह के और पेपर्स चाहिए, क्योंकि आपके 2019 और 2015 में तीन दिन पेपर हुए थे, तीन सेट। ये हमारा दूसरा सेट है। हमने पहला सेट 2019 का अपने चैनल में बोल दिया है, तो उसे चेकआउट कर लीजिएगा। और आने वाले जो 4 पेपर हैं नर्सिंग के, स्टाफ नर्स के, वो ज़रूर से लगा लीजिएगा। और उसके लिए आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर ले, नोटिफिकेशन बेल को ऑन कर ले, ताकि आपकी कोई भी नोटिफिकेशन मिस बिल्कुल भी ना हो। ये क्वेश्चन ही नहीं है, ये आपकी जितने भी आगे आएंगे उसमें कम से कम 10 क्वेश्चन ऐसे होते हैं जो कि हर साल पेपर में रिपीट्स होते हैं। तो अगर आप लगा लेंगे तो 10 क्वेश्चन आपके मिस नहीं होंगे, ये कम्प्लीटली पक्का ही रहता है हर एक पेपर्स में। बढ़ते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 57 की तरफ। एट्रोपिन सल्फेट is administered before electroconvulsive therapy. A. To relax muscles. B. As a short-acting anesthetic. C. Elevative anxiety. And option D. To reduce secretions. Option number D. To reduce secretion. Question number 58. The storage form of carbohydrate in animals is A. Glucose. B. Glycogen. C. Heparin. And option number D. Starch. Correct answer number B. Glycogen. Question number 59. Which among of the following do the phagocytic action? A. Neutrophils. B. Eosinophils. C. Basophils. And option D. Polymorphs. Correct answer number A. Neutrophils. Question number 60. During the implementation phase of nursing process, a nurse need to component in which of the following skill? A. Cognitive skills. B. Interpersonal skills. C. Psychomotor skills. And option number D. All of the above. The correct answer is A, B, C. Both are correct. So answer number D is all of the above. Question number 61. The force of attraction of the earth on an object is known as the A. Friction of the object. B. Weight of the object. C. Mass of the object. And option number D. Motion of the object. So the correct answer is answer number B. Weight of the object. Question number 62. What is the symbol of the element potassium? A. P. B. K. C. Pt. And option number D. W. Correct answer number B. K. Question number 63. Who is popularly known as the Grand Old Man of India? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. Option B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Option C. Dada Bhai Naroji. And option number D. Subhash Chandra Bose. So the correct answer number C. दादा भाई नारोजी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 63 है. हु इज पॉपुलरली नोन एज द क्वेश्चन नंबर 64. द स्टेरिलाइजेशन ऑफ ग्लास वार्स इज डन थ्रू ऑप्शन नंबर ए डिसइंफेक्शन, ऑप्शन बी मॉइस्ट हीट, ऑप्शन सी ड्राई हीट and option number D fumigation. Correct answer is answer number C dry heat. Question number 65. Intravenous drug administration is typically used for children. A. Under age 6. B. Critically ill under age 6. Option number C. Critically ill and over age 6. And option number D. Over age 6. करेक्ट आंसर नंबर बी क्रिटिकली इल अंडर एज 6. क्वेश्चन नंबर 66 की ओर बढ़ते हैं. अच्छे से पढ़िएगा, अच्छे से एग्ज़ाम दीजिएगा, इसीलिए हम प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर बना रहे हैं. और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, तो आपका मतलब ये हमारा अधिकार भी है, हमने इतनी मेहनत की है आपके लिए, तो सब्सक्राइब जरूर से कर ले. बहुत मेहनत लगती है प्रीवियस ईयर बोलने में, उसके बाद अपलोड करते हैं, बहुत ही ज़्यादा मेहनत लगती है, तो सब्सक्राइब कर ले चैनल को। क्वेश्चन नंबर 66 है आपका, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एनाल्जेसिक ड्रग लैक्स एंटी इन्फ्लेमेटरी एक्शन? ए इब्यूफोर्मिन, बी डाइक्लोफिनेक सोडियम, सी पायरोक्सियम, डी पैरासीटामोल। करेक्ट आंसर, आंसर नंबर डी पैरासीटामोल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 67, द organelle is considered concerned with the metabolic process are present inside the A ribosomes, B mitochondria, C endoplasmic reticulum, and option number D cytoplasm. Correct answer number D cytoplasm. Question number 68, the fight or flight response is characteristic by the following except option A mental alertness, option B increase in oxygen intake, option C increase in BP, and option number D decrease in cardiac output. Correct answer number D decrease in cardiac output. Question number 69, physiotherapeutic is used of movement is called A music therapy, B relaxation therapy, C recreational therapy, and option number D dance therapy. Correct answer number D dance therapy. Question number 70, the natural aging of a lake by nutrient enrichment of its water is known as A eutrophication, B precipitator, C biomagnification, and option number D planktonic. Correct answer, answer number A eutrophication. Question number 71, what is the most important drug in the treatment of organophosphate poisoning? A N-acetylcysteine, B adrenaline, C atropine sulfate, and option number D diazepam. Correct answer number C atropine sulfate. Question number 72, the drug used for induction of labor is A oxytocin, B methergine, C ergomethrine, and option number D progesterone. Correct answer, answer number A oxytocin. Question number 73, which process comes under a child expected to learn directly from nature through personal experiences? A idealism, B realism, C naturalism, and option number D pragmatism. Correct answer number C naturalism. Question number 74, the process of providing or obtaining the food necessary for growth and health is A nutrients, B natural science, C nutrition, and option number D nourishment. Correct answer number C nutrition. Question number 75, the type of autopsy that is done to determine the cause of death for medical legal purpose is A research, B clinical, C forensic, and option number D diagnosis. Correct answer number C forensic. Question number 76, the normal human body temperature is maintained by A protein, B fat, C fiber, and option number D carbohydrates. Correct answer number B fat. Question number 77, which one of the following is not a common cause of increased intracranial pressure? A subarachnoid hemorrhage, B migraine headache, C viral encephalitis, D brain tumor. Correct answer is migraine headaches. Question number 78, increased glucose tolerance is seen in A hypopituitarism, B hyperinsulinism, C hypothyroidism, and D all of the above. Correct answer is D all of the above. आप रोक के समय लेके आंसर दीजिए पर गलत मत करिए, क्योंकि पेपर में आपको समय भी कम मिलेगा पहली चीज़, उसके साथ आपको गलत नहीं करने हैं, कम से कम 70 नंबर लाने पड़ेंगे। कंपटीशन बहुत टफ है, आपको निकलने के लिए मेहनत तो करनी पड़ेगी ही, चाहे आप अभी कर लें या फिर बाद में करने का कोई मतलब नहीं रह जाएगा। तो हमारे साथ जुड़िए, हम इसी तरह के पेपर लाते रहते हैं। आपको दूसरे प्राइवेट से पेपर भी हम जल्द प्रोवाइड कराएंगे, और एक आ भी चुका है, आप उसे देख लीजिएगा जाके। तैयारी रुकनी नहीं चाहिए, चाहे जो हो जाए। पढ़ते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 79 की तरफ। क्वेश्चन नंबर 79 है, विच इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ अ वेक्टर? ए टिक्स, बी टिप वॉर्म, सी माइस एंड ऑप्शन डी स्क्विरल्स। करेक्ट आंसर नंबर ए टिक्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 80, change in the velocity of an object per unit time is called? A angular velocity, B displacement, C angular displacement and option D acceleration. Correct answer number D acceleration. Question number 81, a group of ocular condition characterized by optic nerve damaged, increased intraocular pressure and associated vision loss is seen patient with: A keratoconus, B corneal dystrophies, C cataract and option number D glaucoma. Correct answer is answer number D glaucoma. Question number 82, the systematic evaluation of behavior, emotion, cognitive function of individual is known as: A process recording, B neurological examination, C history collection and option D mental status examination. Option number D mental status examination. Question number 83, which method is used to separate butter from cream? A centrifugation, B titration, C amalgamation and option D filtration. Correct answer number A centrifugation. Question number 84, how many chambers are there in heart of fish? A 4, B 3, C 2 and option D 4. Correct answer number C 2. Question number 85, which of the following is an airborne disease? A hepatitis A, B hepatitis A, C measles, D typhoid. Correct answer number C measles. Question number 86, which one of the following is the scope of nursing research? A to develop the answers, B to develop the concept, C to develop the assessment and option D to develop the knowledge. Correct answer number D to develop the knowledge. Question number 87, a river drains the water collected from a specific area, which is called: A water current, B watershed, C water divide and option D catchment area. So the correct answer number D catchment area. Question number 88, the legal definition of death that facilitate organ donation pertain to cessation of: A circulatory and respiratory system function, B functions of brain in the interoperatory, C respiration and option D pulse. Correct answer number B function of the brain is the interoperatory. Question number 89, what percentage does burn the genitalia consist by rule of nines? A 1%, B 21%, C 18% and option D 9%. Correct answer number A 1%. Question number 90, the ratio of number of girls to boys in a school is of 3780 students is 41:43. How many more girls should be admitted to make the ratio 1:1? A option 88 है, B है 86, सी है 90 और डी है 92। आपका ऑप्शन सही होगा आंसर नंबर सी 90। क्वेश्चन नंबर 91 है द चबहार पोर्ट which is strategically important for India is located in which country? A. China, B. Malaysia, C. Iran, and option D. Djibouti. Correct answer C. Iran. Question number 92. Myopia is corrected by using A. Concave lens, B. Bifocal lens, C. Convex lens, and option D. Cylindrical lens. Option A is correct, concave lens. Question number 93. Find the next number in the series. ऑप्शन पहले दिए हैं क्वेश्चन 3, 4, 7, 16, 43। इसके आगे क्या आएगा? ऑप्शन ए 112, ऑप्शन बी 98, ऑप्शन नंबर सी 124 एंड ऑप्शन नंबर डी 86। रोक के प्योज करके अच्छे से आंसर दीजिए, गलत मत कीजिए, ये याद रखिएगा। तो आंसर सी है 124। क्वेश्चन नंबर 94 है लिप्रोसी इज आल्सो कॉल्ड एज ए हैंसेंस डिजीज, बी पिशोरियसिस, सी डायरियर्स डिजीज एंड ऑप्शन डी स्कैबीज। करेक्ट आंसर आंसर नंबर ए हैंसेंस डिजीज। क्वेश्चन नंबर 95 टू बेल रिंग एट इंटरवल of 51 seconds and 62 seconds. If they both ring at 10 o'clock in the morning together, after how many seconds will they ring together again? Option A 3152, option B 3182, option C 3172 and option D 3162. Correct answer number D. Question number 96. Ram started to walk for a 5 km in south direction and took a left turn 8 km. He then another left turn and walked 5 km. Before taking a right turn to walk 7 km, how far is the starting point from the end point? Option A 15 km, option B 12 km, option C 13 km and option D 17 km. Correct answer number A 15 km. Question number 97. Which one of the following animal is called sheep of desert? A horse, B donkey, C tiger and option D camel. Correct option answer number D camel. आपके 30 इसमें 30 नंबर की आपकी नॉन टेक्निकल आती है और 70 नंबर की आपकी टेक्निकल आती है। तो आप एक बात याद रखिएगा, नॉन टेक्निकल भी बहुत ज़रूरी है। लड़के नॉन टेक्निकल में ही फेल होते हैं, तो नॉन टेक्निकल मजबूत करके जाइएगा। पढ़ते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की ओर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 98। द प्राइमरी पर्पस ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रिंग corticosteroids to the child with nephrotic syndrome is A. to reduce inflammation, B. to reduce proteinuria, C. to prevent infection and option D. to increase blood pressure. Correct answer answer number B. to decrease proteinuria. Question number 99. Amoebic dysentery is caused by A. Entamoeba histolytica, B. Giardia lamblia, C. Pallantodium coli and option D. Amoeba proteus. Correct answer number A. Entamoeba histolytica. Question number 100 and last question of this previous year paper. Which is a prescription disorder? A. Apathy, B. Obsession, C. Hallucination and D. Delusion. Option C is correct, hallucination.